we're back with one of these. That's the victim.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got.
Welcome back to another Santiago Films vlog. I know it has been a cool minute, but I've been busy. So today, we're back with one of these. That's the victim. She has no idea. She doesn't speak English, so here you go.
¿Cuánto tiempo sin verte, niño?
We got her. ¿Matas usted o qué?
Estúpido.
Dejan cagar a gusto, ya ni la chingas tú con tus cohetes. Ahí estoy cagando y me limpié rápido.
What's up?
Alright guys, you can see we're having a get together, your average Mexican get together, as you can see.
This is not average, it's actually
It's pretty small because of coronavirus, you know, you gotta stay protected.
Average is like-
Wear your mask because coronavirus is still out there. Don't really know what this vlog's gonna consist of. You did see that I scared my mom earlier, and yeah. Alright guys, I want to say happy 4th of July! Well, that was a little bit, I expected more. Let's try this one. Guys, happy 4th of July! Welcome to America! Nothing really good special about America. Everything sucks. Police beat on black people. And a lot of racists here, so happy 4th of July. The ICE deports immigrants, so not really nothing special about America. And we got Donald Trump for president. Wow! I love living here where Donald Trump is a president. Not really. I do love America though, a little bit. Maybe just a little bit, but right now how it's looking, I don't love it.
Is this thing on?
It sure is.
Good.
Welcome back to the vlog. Alright, what's up guys? So we're here at the car wash. And my car's pretty dirty. I think it needs a wash. So anyways guys, I just been oh shit! The top's not on. It's like that. So we got this firework. We are not in California, we're in Nevada. So this is completely illegal. We're in Nevada. Oh man, get down! Oh! Watch out! Oh, fuck! Money has got toasted! So, are you sure? See ya! Yeah, you sure? Yeah, you sure?
Point it up!
Oh! Money has got toasted! Ah! Ah! Money has got toasted! Okay, something's on fire!
Oh
my god!
Oh, that's a firework.
It's only life for my witness news! There's a fire in the backyard! We're here, we're like, fucking blow my face up. We're here, we're live.
Got a firework in the
There's a
background.
fire in my backyard. It's gonna get dangerous. Looks like 4th of July for them turned into a tragedy. Yeah, toss it!
Oh. Oh shit. Long day at work, boss?
You know, it's always busy here, but
Are you the only one that works here?
you know, we gotta do what we gotta do.
Wow.
There you go, man. Have a good day.
Pacífico.
Sí, cómo no, Pacífico.
Gracias. Le voy a... Ponga su maceta para darle propina.
Oh, yeah, really.
Alright, Michael. I don't like giving you options to either pick these shoes or those shoes. Which ones do you want?
Nikes are freaking sick.
Like those?
Yeah.
Alright, take them.
But these are yours. What are you talking
No,
about?
they're not mine because they don't fit me.
Why are you doing this?
Because they don't fit me and they
You're
fit
not
you.
cheer up or not? No, I'm just kidding. Cool Kicks got you like that?
Cool Kicks on me like that.
Nah.
Yeah, there you go.
Captain.
There you go. Take them.
That's not for the video, right?
No, it's for yours.
I don't think I ever owned a Nike pair.
Really?
I don't think I ever owned.
Why not?
Bro.
Why you do?
Jeez.
Bada boom, bada bam. There you go. Congratulations! I just took your Nike virginity.
Why?
Welcome to the Nike world.
Flip these for like a whole bunch of money, dude.
Yeah, I can flip them, make money, or give them to my friend. Stop asking questions, just take them.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options.